In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your standard wireless door or window contact. You will need a small flathead screwdriver. Please note that depending on the model, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video, and you will be replacing either one or two batteries. Before changing the battery, ensure the system is disarmed and is placed on test mode with Guardian. Simply go to Guardian's customer care website, customercare.guardianprotection.com, to place your system on test. Locate the door or window contact that has low battery. Then, locate the tab on the short side of the contact. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the tab. Gently press the tab and remove the cover. Be careful, do not force the device open. The keypad may beep once the cover has been removed. Remove the battery and install the replacement battery. Pay attention to polarity. The cover should click into place once it is secured. Once you have finished replacing the battery, test the contact to ensure it is working properly. Arm your system and trigger an alarm at the door or window where the contact is installed. Allow the system to sound for 30 to 45 seconds before disarming the system. Finally, confirm the test signal was received before having your system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's customer care department